the writer is in the US right now, and there's a lot of it that's very collaborative with sourcing from the actors, from the team. I guess how did you go about it, given like those obstacles, like long distance, and maintaining the collaborative process as you develop the work?
So the text itself was a product of what Guelan calls an actor-sourced playwriting. So in June last year, we created sort of activities and games to figure out what the story is about. So we started with Vicente Rafael's The Salt and Trickster. We read that, Guelan and I both read it. And we were talking about which parts of the book resonated to us, what we want to put in. So that's what we were figuring out. How do we structure that then into activities that we can draw experiences from? In fact, the names of all the characters in the script are sort from the actors. Sila din talaga nagpupo niya. So ang nangyari, parang gumawa kami ng games, tapos pag naging product ng game, ninonote down siya ni Guelan, and then Guelan would put that in his bank of sort of ideas. And then it took Guelan a couple of months to write it down. Tapos he sent me loose scenes, and then we put it into a structure. And then of course, Biggs is of course here. It's hard because Guelan is not with us, Guelan is in the US. But Guelan and I also always in conversations, we've always been messenger, talking constantly on how to like, okay, this scene, this needs tightening, this needs more elaboration.